Okay, this is the replacement servo I put in for my two-wheel drive slash has the 12-turn motor in it. This model of this servo is DS3218 PRO. It was off of Amazon for just under $20 before tax, and wanted to give a quick overview. This one, the reason to use this servo versus others is this has a 300mm lead, which is unusually long compared to some of the rest of the servos on the market. As you can see, it does go through the battery tray like the stock one does and does reach to the receiver box, but anything shorter than this was 300mm, it would not work. The speed on this servo is pretty quick. A little bit faster than stock is all. Nothing crazy fast, but works and should keep this thing running.